guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Wow, I never thought I'd say that seriously. So I'm here sitting on my bedroom floor filming my first sit down video. For anyone who doesn't know, I run a small business with my sister and we design and sell stationery that we make locally. We'll be launching our new line of notepads this weekend. Actually, come to think of it, I think we've already launched it depending on when this video comes out. So today I'll be taking some pictures and I figured I'd just document the whole process. A little disclaimer, it's been super cloudy the past few days and there's just been a lot of shift in light. So please forgive me if the video starts to get a little dark, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna affect my picture taking as well. So since we're literally burning daylight, let's just jump to it.
Okay, so the first thing I usually do is plan out the whole process. I do this the night before and I start from the angles to the props and what kind of pictures I want to take. It really helps just speed up the whole process. Next up are my props. I have a small assortment of props that I usually rotate. I fix the vibe I want to go with and then I use them accordingly. I use pens, clips, other copies, and even my laptop. Sometimes I even use a cup of tea. Okay, so don't laugh at my setup, but I like taking pictures in natural light. So I take my pictures on a giant wooden board on this tiny little sofa, and that way I get the most light out of my room. For my surfaces, I either use a giant piece of wood or a white table. Sometimes I also like using marble tiles for a different look. Here's a look at some of the notepads we'll be launching this weekend, and honestly, I had so much fun taking pictures of these. So I'll just leave this poorly lit time lapse here so you can see a little bit of how the process goes. Please note that I'm really taking my time with the eggs here. It took me about 2 hours to take these pictures all together, but that's only because I had set up earlier in the morning. The worst part about these photo shoots is honestly the cleanup. I mean, look at this mess. So that's about it. I just want to point out that I am in no way a professional photographer and I'm sure I'm doing plenty of things wrong, but this is just a way that helps me take photos at home, and I really hope that this video helped you too.
So that's about it. The pictures are taken, the room is cleaned, the plants are watered. We are done for now. I hope the pictures came out well because you can see like the lighting is not great today and it's just been shifting so much. There's sun, there's not sun, it's been all over the place. But that was a little look into how we do things. I hope that helped. It usually takes about 3 to 4 hours to finish up the whole process. So I usually start around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. because that's when I get the most light, and then it takes me till like 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. depending on however long and however many things I need to take pictures of. And I usually end up with like a backache for the rest of the day. Not fun. So thanks for keeping me company. If you do want to take a closer look at the notepads, I'll have them linked down below to our Facebook page and our Instagram. I also just want to take a moment to really thank you guys for all your love and support because I am so new at this, and just knowing that you guys have my back, it's so assuring. I'm still trying to figure out what kind of content I should make, so if you guys like this style of like a vlog, semi-instructable video of just me talking about my whole process, let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video and want to see more content like this in the future, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd want to see more of my stuff in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. I think that's it for today. My back is starting to hurt, so I'm gonna go lie down and I'm not gonna get up till like after dark, which isn't long, honestly. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!